Today we have the 2018 Audi Q3. This vehicle has done just over 65,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can see that we have front and rear parking sensors, radio, media, navigation, smartphone integration, information and menu. Just below we have our drive select. From here we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. Just below is our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a black leather trim.